Here we have a 2013 Holden Colorado, or in other countries you might even call it a Chevrolet Colorado. Front and rear fitted in black water resistant canvas. We'll start with the front pair. So you have separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the RG Colorado seat. We also do a bonus center console top with any suede or canvas purchase. This is an LTZ model, so driver side has electric controls, still open and functional with our seat covers installed. This is a prior facelift model, so no seat mounted airbags in this particular vehicle. Customer has optioned full canvas down the back of the front backrest, but you can also have optional open map pockets on the suede or canvas purchase. Now we move on to the back seat. So being an LTZ of this vintage, has 3 separate headrests and all has a separate center armrest cover. Bases are split fold as well, so both seats can lift up individually from each other, like so.